we touch, we break. Make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate.